Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, June 14th, and we got a bit of economic news release to go over today. And we'll start off with the NFIB small business in the month of May. So back in April, we had a 93.6 in the rating scale, and it went up just a 0.2%. So this is a kind of a gauge of viewing their confidence level in the small businesses, which is important primarily because they make up the largest population for employment. They create the most jobs out there. Retail sales for the month of May, we had a 1.3%, a pretty good April, as you can see, for both of these. April 1.3%, and the forecast was at 0.3%, and it came in a little bit higher than forecast at 0.5%. Now, if you take out the big ticket items like autos here, it's kind of got a core, but we're just taking out the big ticket items because of the volatility, the swings in the big prices that kind of threw on there. Again, we had a 0.8% in April, and it came in expectations at 0.3%. So still modest growth, and that's positive overall news on this. The FOMC beginning their meeting today, their two-day meeting today. Tomorrow around 11 o'clock, 11:15 Pacific Standard Time, they'll give their announcement, and then she'll have her Q&A later in the day. And then also next week, the 23rd, Britain will have their vote for determining if they will remain with the European community or if they will go away, which is called the Brexit. Everybody's dubbing that the Brexit. So that's been a real concern. And so right now the polls are showing it's too close to call, that it could go either way, and that's what's creating a lot more anxiety with the investors of late. Oil, it's down to about 48 bucks, I think, right now. 48 bucks from where it was. So it's down a little bit, so that's helped us out. And there was a report that there was a shorter supply than initially anticipated, which would have raised prices, but they kind of shrugged that up and actually went a little bit lower here. We're kind of still in the same range here. Right now we're at about 0. As we're kind of doing this, it looked like it kind of crept up a little bit again, up to about 9 basis points. So we're still going to be within this range. So this is right here is about 9 basis points. So if we did go up, it would be right touching this ceiling here. In regards, we want to be careful. If we hit this usually too many times, if we don't break through, we usually go downwards. So we need to be careful within this range here, especially when we got the 10-day moving average kind of moving upwards. We have the 25-day moving average right here. So this is creating a strong floor of support. And as these kind of range up, we're going to be forced to go one way or the other. Okay, folks, but rates are about the same as where we left off yesterday. There's really no change in pricing today in terms for interest rates. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.